Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to delete your pet in Widgetable, right? So let's go into the application. So make sure you have downloaded in your smartphone. So I'll just go to the Widgetable mobile application here, right? And here you will see a lot of option, and in the top menu you will see this pet option, right? This is basically the pets. So just click on it, right? Once you're here, now you can see that basically one of my egg is hatching right now, right? Then after that it will become a pet, right? And once it become a pet, it will show it here. So if you want to delete it, it's very easy. Just for example, take this egg as a pet, right? So here on the top you will see the menu bar. So just click on there, and after that it will show an option of pet. And once you get that, you can just delete it, right? It's very easy to do this. So yeah, this is it guys. I hope you found this video really helpful. And if you did, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.